everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to announce uh, a good news for all of you. So today I am absolutely thrilled to share a massive announcement with all of you today. If you are preparing for JEE and constantly feeling overwhelmed by massive 2 hours lectures or struggling to balance PCM, I have something special for you. We are officially kicking out of a brand new series called the 15 Minutes Grind series. So now you might be wondering, Didi, how can we prepare for JEE in just 15 minutes? So here is the breakdown of our daily mini grind formula. So I can say the very first step is the core concept. Like in the first few minutes, we will step away and focused on one high yield, high weightage concepts in PCM, clear, crisp, and straight to the point. Then in the next step, we will solve JEE PYQ. We won't just learn theory. We will immediately crush an actual JEE PYQ, JEE previous year question together using that exact concept. So you know how to apply it. So now the homework challenge. At the end of every single video, I will leave you with a hand-picked practice question to test your speed and accuracy. Drop your answers in the comments and I will be checking them. So the goal of this series is simple: consistency over intensity. You see, when I was preparing for my JEE Mains, always wished I had someone who could help me to revise tough topics as quickly as possible. So I know how frustrating it is. So this is exactly why I am initiating this series for you. And 15 minutes, day of pure, unfiltered, and I can say unfiltered focus can completely transform your PCM preparation. So it's perfect for quick revision, daily practice, or breaking down your toughest topic into bite-sized pieces. No lag, no distractions, just pure grind. So yeah, the wait is almost over. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you don't miss out a single episode of the grind series. So we will meet directly in our very first session. Until then, keep practicing, stay focused, and bye bye.